Did you realize that in less than a week, it's officially spring? That means spring break, spring cleaning, and taxes. Fortunately, though, there's a new tech to help you get through it, and our gadget guru, Jennifer Jolly, is back with all kinds of tips and tricks. Hi, Jen, where do we start?
Well, let's get those dreaded taxes out of the way. This year's a doozy. According to a recent Straight Talk Wireless survey, more than 70% of people say they need their tax refund more than ever this year to help pay bills and make ends meet. But here's a surprise. Tech upgrades are second only to debt repayment when it comes to how people really need to use those returns. For that, the company says, well, listen, why don't you consider a less expensive, no compromise fix like pairing a smartphone for less than $100 with Straight Talk's $45 a month Silver Unlimited plan, which includes talk, text, high-speed data, and 5 gigs of hotspot data on a reliable network. Okay, taxes done. What about spring cleaning? We'll take a look at the Bissell Crosswave Hydra Steam. It's a multitasking wonder and a multi-surface floor cleaner that works in tandem with a steam cleaner, lifting stains, dirt, and grime, a mop with its brush roll and onboard cleaning fluid, wiping and cleaning with a separate tank for dirty water, and a vacuum making sure no mess gets left behind. Kind of a 1-2-3 punch, cleaning deeper and better on everything from pet hair to sticky stuff. Now, switching gears to talk about more fun things like spring break. Check out one of my top 5 travel apps of all time from Rosetta Stone. This is that language app that teaches you words and phrases in 25 different languages, practical and immersive. It actually teaches you the language and how to use it in real life situations. One special deal they shared with us through March 22nd, you can get $120 off a lifetime subscription. And how do you know that you are getting the best deals on all things vacation? Well, you know, by starting your search at slickdeals.com/travel because they have a new travel hub. This is that community of more than 12 million shoppers who vet and vote up the very best deals. And now those include flights, hotels, cruises, car rentals, tour and tour packages, huge discounts on everything. Plus, you can grab all the gadgets, tech tools, and luggage, everything you need for a great trip while you're there. To find everything you need from this segment and, well, everything I do, go to my website at techish.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Jen.
Thank you.